Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube video on the Center for Health and Wellbeing. Today we will be speaking about healthful eating habits. And so let's give you just 5 new or 5 different healthy eating habits for you, okay? Number 1 is a Japanese term called Hara Hachi Bu. Do you know that term, Cheryl?
I do know that term.
What does that mean?
Eat till you're 80% full.
Good. So Hara Hachi Bu is about eating till you're 80% full. This is an Okinawan habit, which is Okinawa is one of the blue zones of the world where people live till they're 100 years old, till they're healthy. And one of the habits they develop over time is to eat till you're 80% full and not to overeat. This helps in maintaining your health. This helps in maintaining a healthy weight. This helps in preventing obesity. It also helps in not giving any kind of stress symptoms, GI symptoms, or anything else. So that is Hara Hachi Bu. The second thing is do not skip breakfast. Breakfast basically is breaking a fast after you slept for a certain number of hours. When you have gone hours without eating and then you wake up in the morning, then your body is ready and ravishing to eat food. If you keep skipping breakfast, over time, your body gets used to it. It becomes a habit, not a good habit. And this can cause blood sugar spikes, this can cause brain fog, this can cause fatigue, this can cause stress eating. So start your day with breakfast and try to eat as much protein as you can for breakfast and not just that cup of coffee or that muffin. All right, the third thing is healthy eating. We want a healthy plate. A healthy plate really looks for half of the plate should be fruits and vegetables, more vegetables than fruit. The 1/4 of your plate is high protein. If you're vegetarian, it could be nuts, seeds, lentils, beans, tofu. If you're a meat eater, then red meat, your fish intake, your chicken, your turkey, that's 1/4 of the plate. The other 1/4 of the plate is good, healthy fat. And that's where nuts and seeds comes back. You eat good coconut oil, avocado oil, just avocados. All of that is another good source that will maintain your blood sugar and you don't have the sugar spikes. And the last point is mindful eating. And that's why I have my colleague Cheryl here today. And we want to discuss the term mindful eating. What does mindfulness mean? Mindfulness is basically being intentionally present at that present moment without any judgment. And if you take this into eating, to intentionally being present while you're eating, that means you're going to put away all kinds of distractions, whether it's the TV, whether when you're driving, whether you're distracted by work, the screen in front of you. That does not help you release digestive enzymes in the right way, doesn't help you digest it properly, and then you might overeat or undereat or not chew your food properly or not digest the food properly. So today we're going to do an experiment of how mindfulness, mindful eating will help you. So in front of Cheryl we have an alien object that came from Mars. She has no idea what that is. And imagine this as your food. You have no idea what the food is. And so use all of your 5 senses when you're gonna eat that food. So what she's doing here is feeling that, smelling it, experiencing what it looks like, right? And now she's gonna taste it. And as she tastes it, I want you, when you're doing this, to savor it. What does it taste like? Does it have a bitter tone? Is it sweet? Is it sour? That is really tasting your food. And as you taste your food, your saliva starts producing different digestive enzymes. As you swallow it, different digestive enzymes are produced by your pancreas or your gallbladder, depending on what kind of food you're consuming. And just enjoying that moment. When you're enjoying it and relaxing while you're eating, you go into this parasympathetic mode of eating where your body now, because it's relaxed, is not trying to run anywhere, trying to fight, and all of your enzymes, all of your cells are in a happy place eating it. And when you do that, it also, you will get to a place where you're satiated quick, where you've enjoyed the taste of the food, and it's very nutritive to your body. So as she's doing this, anytime during this food, any food that you can eat that way, see how you feel. So Cheryl, do you have anything I know I've been speaking the whole time. What have you noticed with just observing what it is? And do you know what you've consumed?
This is a Brazil nut.
Okay.
And it was very sweet.
All right, sweet.
Very sweet. I didn't realize that when you're just eating them.
Yes.
You didn't realize it was sweet.
I did not know it was sweet either. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. So she was able to savor the taste and know it's a sweet taste. And another tip on Brazil nuts. These are very high in selenium, and selenium is an essential nutrient for your thyroid gland. So eating 3 to 4 Brazil nuts a day can give you up to 200 micrograms of selenium, which is what your recommended dosage of selenium for the day for your thyroid gland to work properly. So those are our 5 tips for healthy eating habits today. Thank you, and tune in for our next time.